Hi, my name is Kyle Blank. I'm the owner of Peninsula Pub.
Hi, my name is Alex, and I am the kitchen manager and head cook at Peninsula Pub.
Basically, my menu is what I like to eat. Italian beef to burgers to fish sandwiches to tacos to you name it. If I like it, it's on there. And 9 times out of 10, other people enjoy it too.
The first item is the whiteout burger. We created this as a burger of the day. We wanted to do something that had all white ingredients, kind of like a snowstorm. It has Reinhard's cheese curds on, ranch dressing, and Swiss cheese. And we drizzle the ranch all over the top.
It's delicious.
Our Da Bomb sandwich is a cold sandwich. A big favorite is our shaved prime rib. It comes with mixed greens, tomato, raw onion, mayo, and our homemade Italian dressing.
People who get sub sandwiches and you get blimpies and you get all these different names. So I thought if we called ours Da Bomb, it would blow everybody else out of the water. Well, the North Burger, it's about 6 to 7 inches tall. It's got French fries, barbecue sauce, coleslaw, burger, cheddar cheese, more barbecue sauce, and topped with our favorite bacon. That in itself is an eye-opener.
My favorite is when people get their plate of food in front of them and say, "Oh my God, how am I gonna eat this?"
All of our burgers pretty much have that same effect. The Hangover Burger is a burger that is off of an idea that my brother and I used to make when we were kids. For breakfast, we would come up with different creations, and one day we made peanut butter, jelly, bacon, ham, and a fried egg, and that was our breakfast that we actually enjoyed quite a few more times than one. And then when I bought the restaurant, I thought, I wonder what that would be like with a burger. And lo and behold, it's on the menu, and we sell probably 12 to 20 of those plus a day.